So hello guys, a mirror is really helpful for every beginner. If you are interested in learning English, if you are learning English, if you are a beginner, so mirror can help you in many ways. Because when we are beginner, we are not able to speak enough so that we can speak in front of anyone, to our friends, to anyone. So it is going to be made, it is going to be easy to speak in front of the mirror, because there is no one who can make fun of me if we are going to outside for speaking English. So there will be so many guys who will make fun of us, and it will be very low feeling for us to speak when people are making fun of us. So in starting, you just have to use mirror for 21 to 30 days. Mirror will definitely be helping you. It is really helpful for you. So in this video I will tell you how do you have to use mirror for spoken English. It is going to be very helpful tip for everyone. Please watch this video. And guys, before going to the video, I am going to give a little bit introduction of myself. Okay, so my name is Aditya Kumar, and I come from a small village of Uttar Pradesh, and which is called Kudupur, and I have completed my I have completed graduation, and so far whatever the education I have completed in Hindi medium background, even if I am able to speak good English because I practiced a lot for learning this language. I used many tips for learning this language, and I have been learning this language since a year. So I have that experience, that how to speak this language, how to learn this language when I was beginner. So I used to face many difficulties, many issues while learning this language. So I know how to deal those difficulties, how to get through that process. So I will tell you everything in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends who are very close to you, so that my videos can help them. Okay, so guys, mirror, you have to use mirror for speaking. You have to use mirror for learning English. It will be very easy to learn if you are using mirror for your spoken English. Guys, it is going to be very helpful. Believe me guys, when I started learning this language, so I used to mirror. So believe me guys, when I started learning this language, I used to use mirror for spoken English so that I can speak in front of the mirror. So not all the times you have to use mirror. You just have to use mirror only for sometimes in starting, when you just started learning this language. You are a beginner, you are totally a beginner. If you are a beginner, you just have to use mirror for spoken English, so that you already have enough content, enough knowledge about this language, so that you can speak in front of anyone. So you just have to develop your confidence in starting. For developing the confidence, you just have to use mirror. If you don't want to use mirror for spoken English, you can use smartphone. You can make your video on your smartphone. It is also a very helpful for you. By recording yourself, you can underestimate yourself. By watching your videos, wherever you are making faults, you can correct those faults, you can make over those faults. So this is going to be very helpful technique for everyone, guys. If you will use mirror and a smartphone in a very good manner for learning this language, you will definitely be improving very soon, and you will be able to learn this language very soon, guys. I am not joking, guys. I'm not joking, and I am not trying to say you just like that. I am saying because I used to use these techniques when I was beginner, and it helped me. Because it helped me only because of this reason, I'm going to make this video for you guys. It will be very helpful for every beginner. You will definitely be improving your English, and it will be stepping up your English in a very good manner, guys. In starting, you have to use mirror or a smartphone for learning this language. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please comment how did you like this video, and is it good or not, and on what topic do I have to make videos. So please comment on my comment section, and I will be uploading those videos. If you will demand any other videos, I will try to make videos on those topics. Okay, and guys, share to all your friends who are close to you, so that they can learn English. Okay, and for developing confidence, if you are a blazer, then definitely subscribe to my channel, because I also come from blaze areas and I can relate to those guys. How will they face problems? How will be facing problems? I will tell you the solutions of those problems. Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.